One of the questions I'm most commonly asked by new needle felters is, how do I stop my needles from breaking? The technique is simple. Always use your needle in a straight line. That's it. So regardless of what you are felting, whether it be something three-dimensional, whether it be something flat like this wing or bunny ears, the needle must always be straight. So I'll just roll a little bit of this up and demonstrate. So if you're going from the top, that needle is straight. If you're going from the side, that needle is straight. If you're going diagonally, that needle is straight. You do not wag that needle, and I'll show you with a finer needle how much easier it is to break them. If you wag that needle at all, it will break. So the trick is always, always in a straight line. I'm also asked, how do I stop the wool from sticking to the mat? Well, firstly, you put a topper on. I haven't got one on here because I wanted to highlight the colour so you could see what I'm doing, but you put a protective topper on, so that stops your work from sticking to the mat. But also, even without a protective topper, if you are doing a three-dimensional shape, you shouldn't be going anywhere near that mat. You should be turning and felting. You should not be gung-ho at it like a bull in a china shop. That is not how you do it. It is a short, sharp, stabbing motion. And regardless of whether you're three-dimensional felting or you are flat felting, like so, it's exactly the same. The less you poke into that mat, the less it will stick. But always use a topper as well, and just move your work around. Keep it moving. Don't let it overfelt in one place before you move it around, and then use all of the mat also, and that will really help. So short, sharp stabbing motion, and always in a straight line. Simples.